To most people, this is just a massive pile of plastic junk left out to weather.
But to me, it's the ultimate blueprint for backyard farming. A space-saving, high-yield vertical garden tower. Best 20 bucks I've ever spent. Let's load them up.
We agreed on?
Time to get to work.
Alright, they are
A few
all
quick
here.
modifications to open up the slots for maximum sunlight and accessibility, and we stack them up, tier by tier. Looking good already. But wait, here's the game changer. Waterproof LED grow lights integrated directly into every level. Next, we line the beds to keep our soil secure while ensuring perfect aeration,
This slides right
filling them up with a
So-
rich, nutrient-dense potting mix.
So,
This is where the magic happens. No messy watering hoses here. We're plumbing a custom drip irrigation system for automated, hands-free watering. Now for the best part, bringing it to life with fresh basil, parsley, and greens. Just look at that perfect, gentle water flow. An entire grocery aisle worth of fresh produce growing right on a single patio block. And at night, it transforms into a stunning, glowing backyard paradise. From scrap heap to a sustainable masterpiece. Happy gardening, everyone! Remember to subscribe or join and become a member of Dan's Gardening Tips and be the first to see new content. Cheers till the next one!